Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple use case. Yeah, I implemented this use case using a data transform. Yeah, in this use case, what I'll be going to do or what I'll be going to achieve. Yeah, so let's say I have a billing address. Yeah, under billing address, I have fields like street, city, state, and postal code. The same way, let me say I do also have shipping address. I do also have shipping address. Right. So here we have billing address and as well shipping address. And yeah, in between billing address and shipping address, I'll be providing a simple checkbox. So let me say, yeah, I have a small checkbox here. And the caption for this checkbox, yeah, if my shipping address is same as billing address, if shipping address same as billing address, if my shipping address is same as billing address, then I'll be going to select this checkbox. Okay, so then I'll be going to select this checkbox. So what happens if I select this checkbox? Hey, whatever the details that I have provided in the billing address, like street, city, whatever the details that I have entered into all these fields, those field values should be copied from billing address to shipping address. Okay, billing address to shipping address itself. And I am achieving this use case with the help of a data transform. Whenever I click on this checkbox, behind a data transform will be called, and that data transform is responsible to copy the data from billing address to shipping address. Okay, so whenever I check this checkbox, the data will be copied from billing address to shipping address. Whenever I uncheck it, whenever I uncheck this checkbox, now these fields should become, I mean the shipping address field should become empty. Okay, empty. Whenever I select, then only the data has to be copied, and after copying the data, these fields should become read only. Okay, these fields should become read only. So this is what my use case. Now let's see the execution of this use case. Let me run this flow. Yeah, here it is. Now let me enter the billing address. Yeah, street, let me say Miapur, city Hyderabad, and state Telangana, country India, postal code some 5,49,000. Yeah, this is my billing address. Now once I select this checkbox, if shipping address is same as billing address, then the details whatever I have entered in the billing address should be copied into my shipping address. Let me select this checkbox. So the details has been copied and the fields has become read only, right? Now whenever I go and uncheck this checkbox, yeah, it should become editable, and as well the field should be empty. Okay, so this is a simple use case which I implemented through a data transform itself, and I hope you understood this use case. And here I am providing the trainings on Pega. If you are interested to learn and implement these kind of use cases, you can approach me, and my contact is been given in my YouTube channel itself. Okay, so and please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so thank you all.